More than a tie, more than a socks, more than a gold pen with a gold watch, more than cologne, more than a splash. Look how much glass cup in the whatnot. Me say more than a trophy, more than a plaque. Yo, my daddy deserve more than that. All when you have more, put more on that. Cause my daddy did do more than that. Growing up a school teacher was my daddy job, but my daddy did do more than that. Plumber, electrician, the carpenter. Me ear need for trim, me never got barber. Everything never easy enough, time it did rough. But daddy find a way, though the pay never enough. He never did leave when the going get tough. Cause him never want him little youth, them turn gruff. More than a tie, more than a socks, more than a gold pen with a gold watch, more than cologne, more than a splash. Look how much glass cup in the whatnot. Me say more than a trophy, more than a plaque. Yo, my daddy deserve more than that. All when you have more, put more on that. Cause my daddy did do more than that for me. Every PTA, every school event, rain or shine, that they always present. If commitment was a person, me certain if him stand upside that daddy, when you looking I go see no difference. Learning how to treat a lady, from seeing you with my mother. Attention, affection, respect and honor. The ups and the downs, the joy and the pain, you hold it out and you never complain. More than a tie, more than a socks, more than a gold pen with a gold watch, more than cologne, more than a splash. Look how much glass cup in the whatnot. Me say more than a trophy, more than a plaque. Yo, my daddy deserve more than that. All when you have more, put more on that. Cause my daddy did do more than that for me. Remember when I want to be a basketballer, I never have no shoes. My father take the boot off of him foot and say, youth, go and go play. So literally, I walk in him shoes. Not just as a baller, but like now cause I'm a teacher. Just like my father. Big up to all of the real fathers out there. They stand up strong and firm and hold it out in them youth's lives. Big up to all of my virgin them who lucky enough to have a father like me and my brother.